Old and new names of countries and cities of the world. Habsha is the old name of Nigeria, Uganda, Zaire, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Habsha is the old name of Ethiopia. Abyssinia is the old name of Nigeria, Ethiopia, Syria, none of these. The correct answer is Ethiopia. Ghana is the new name of Black Coast, Silver Coast, Gold Coast, none of these. The correct answer is Gold Coast. Congo is the new name of Zimbabwe, South Africa, Zaire, none of these. The correct answer is Zaire. Old name of Libya was Zaire, Helvetia, Tripoli, none of these. The correct answer is Tripoli. New name of Persia is Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, none of these. The correct answer is Iran. Chennai is the new name of Patna, Madras, Agra, none of these. The answer is Madras. King Abdul Aziz bin Saud named Kingdom of Hijaz and Najd as Saudi Arabia. किंग अब्दुल अजीज़ बिन सऊद ने हिजाज और नजद का नाम सऊदी अरेबिया किस साल रखा? 1930, 1931, 1932, none of these. The correct answer is 1932. Mumbai is the new name of Calcutta, Madras, Bombay, none of these. The answer is Bombay. Island of Sri Lanka was formerly known as Madagascar, Tasmania, Ceylon, none of these. The correct answer is Ceylon. When Ceylon changed its name into Sri Lanka, 1968, 1970, 1972, none of these. The correct answer is 1972. Myanmar is the new name of Bhutan, Nepal, Malaysia, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Myanmar is the new name of Burma. When did Burma changed its name to Myanmar? 1988, 1989, 1990, none of these. The correct answer is 1989. Cambodia is the new name of Mauritania, Persia, Cambodia, none of these. The correct answer is Cambodia. Nippon is the old name of China, Japan, Nepal, none of these. The correct answer is Japan. Old name of Tokyo was Edo, Akihito, Rishikeek, none of these. The correct answer is Edo. Old name of Thailand was Helvetia, Siam, Nippon, none of these. The correct answer is Siam. Netherlands is the new name of England, Ireland, Poland, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Netherlands is the new name of Holland. Zimbabwe is the new name of Southern Rhodesia, Northern Rhodesia, Zaire, none of these. The correct answer is Southern Rhodesia. Zambia is the new name of Southern Rhodesia, Northern Rhodesia, Zaire, none of these. The correct answer is Northern Rhodesia. Salisbury is the old name of Khartoum, Juba, Cairo, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Salisbury is the old name of Harare. Namibia is the new name of Southeast Africa, Southwest Africa, Northwest Africa, none of these. The correct answer is Southwest Africa. Kingdom of Lesotho is the new name of Basotholand, Zaire, Ethiopia, none of these. The correct answer is Basotholand. French Somaliland is the old name of Burkina Faso, Somalia, France, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. French Somaliland is the old name of Djibouti. French Sudan is the old name of Zimbabwe, Somalia, Mali, none of these. The correct answer is Mali. Malagasy is the new name of Madagascar, Maldives, Mauritania, none of these. The correct answer is Madagascar. Helvetia is the old name of Indonesia, Switzerland, Vietnam, none of these. The correct answer is Switzerland. Formosa is the old name of Thailand, Mongolia, Japan, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Formosa is the old name of Taiwan. Mesopotamia is the old name of Jordan, Egypt, Syria, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Mesopotamia is the old name of Iraq. Constantinople is the old name of Istanbul, Cairo, Baghdad, none of these. The correct answer is Istanbul. Eastern Roman Empire was also known as Mongol Empire, Ottoman Empire, Byzantium Empire, none of these. The correct answer is Byzantium Empire. New name of Leningrad is Shegon, St. Petersburg, Moscow, none of these. The correct answer is St. Petersburg. Ho Chi Minh is the new name of Saigon, Senegal, Ceylon, none of these. The correct answer is Saigon. Old name of Oslo is Mesopotamia, Christiania, St. Petersburg, none of these. The correct answer is Christiania. Beijing is the new name of Hiroshima, Peking, Seoul, none of these. The correct answer is Peking. Malabar is the old name of which Indian city? Calcutta, Madras, Bombay, none of these. The correct answer is Madras. Swaziland is the old name of Congo, Botswana, Eswatini, none of these. The correct answer is Eswatini. Upper Volta is the old name of Burkina Faso, Senegal, Rwanda, none of these. The correct answer is Burkina Faso. Dutch East Indies is the old name of Netherlands, Malaysia, Indonesia, none of these. The correct answer is Indonesia. New Amsterdam is the old name of Washington DC, New York City, Los Angeles, none of these. The correct answer is New York City. Bytown is the old name of Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa, none of these. The correct answer is Ottawa. Dahomey is the old name of Togo, Benin, Ghana, none of these. The correct answer is Benin. Angora is the old name of Ankara, Baghdad, Tehran, none of these. The correct answer is Ankara. Subscribe, press bell icon and like my videos.